Hi, my name is Tom Baker, Director of Spiritual Care here at Stormont Vail Health. Here to talk about spring cleaning for your life. You know, one of the reasons we chose the house where we live in Topeka was the kitchen pantry. You could actually walk into it, and it had amazing shelves on each side of the pantry. And of course, we had dreams of making our kitchen organized and our house clutter-free. But of course, as time went on, that kitchen pantry became the catch-all for everything, including hiding stuff when visitors or families came over to say hi. And of course, it became the kind of pantry where you were afraid to open the door because things would actually spill out. Well, a few weeks ago, my wife and I decided to clean out that pantry. It took us time, we had to work, but after we got done, we felt a lot better. We felt our lives were less cluttered, and more organized, more orderly. So a great spring tip is to take some time this spring to reflect deeply about your life, to think about your purpose and meaning, about what gets in your life's way. We are all so busy. It is our busyness that often gets us away from living, and we're just existing. So a great spring tip is to take some moments, at least 3 times a week, even if it's for 5 minutes, to just simply reflect about your life, about the clutter that's in your life, and clean it out. And soon you'll find that spring does bring renewal.